Oh, that's the store hours.
All right, guys, this is a beautiful store. So we're just hitting up a few stores here. This is like if you have one in your area, this will be like a clothes mentor, a Revolves closet or something like that, I think. But they had music playing, so I really couldn't like have the video, you know, just regular. So I had to put some music over. So guys, just sit back and enjoy. They have some lovely items here. We didn't buy anything, but they did have some lovely pieces. They had guy things, they had women's stuff, and they had home decor. So enjoy.
Homemade chicken pizza stuff.
I know. It's so darn with these ducklings. I think it came because I had ate all day. And that's the first time I ever ate. Because I don't never get burritos. When I go to like Chipotle and stuff, I always get the burrito. It's another one too. Yeah, you can sit outside. It's another one downtown too. It's another one. And they
Y'all, this is a very interesting Goodwill here in Charlotte. They have where you go through the bins and everything is weighed by a pound. And I'm just looking. I don't know if I'm gonna get anything, but this is their barrels that you carry around, which is, I don't know, takes time to get used to, but outfit of the day. Today is June 27th. Yeah. This is very interesting. So guys, this is what I got from Goodwill. I just picked up these nice cargo blue jean shorts from Universal Thread, size 6, and they got that on the bottom, on the side, and then I got this black tank top with this little thing on it. I'm gonna cut this off, but that's what I picked up. And they were $7. I mean, not $7. They were, how much was this? I paid, what is that? $1.79, guys. Yeah, and this is the location. Right there. Uh-oh, my bag. This is my meal, y'all. I'm about to tear it up. It's about to go down.